Hello dear students, welcome to today's class on English grammar. We discussed about future time. Today we will discuss the use of another verb form which is used to express future time. Okay, so here is a very simple question for you. Suppose yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday and tomorrow is which day? Very easy for you. Tomorrow is Sunday. So here is the calendar for the month of November 2020. You closely look at it and now tell me this month ends on which day? You find the day. Okay. Again another question for you. So you know Children's Day falls on 14th November every year. So you tell me this year 14th November falls on which day? You check and tell me. So it is Saturday. So Children's Day falls on Saturday this year. So now you look at the sentences. Tomorrow is Sunday and Children's Day falls on Saturday. From these sentences you can guess and you just discover the tense. The tense used here, present or past. This is definitely present tense because tomorrow, this is subject, is, this is finite verb, present form, so this is present tense. Similarly, Children's Day, this is subject, false, this is finite verb, present tense, present form, so this is present tense. Now tell me the time. What time is it? Present or future? So you can infer that today is just 7th November and 14th November has not come yet. So this is about future time. And from this you can also easily guess when this present simple form is used for future time. We use present simple tense form for a future action or event which is the part of a timetable. Okay? So here are some more examples for you. Now you look at the sentences. Puri Express arrives Talcher at 9:30 am. My brother retires next month. The final match of IPL takes place on 10th November. Next general election of India takes place in 2024. Assembly in Odisha sits from 20th November. Okay, so these are the part of timetable which cannot be changed. Similarly, present simple tense form is also used in subordinate clauses when we use conjunctions of time like before, when, as soon as, until. Apart from this, we also use this present simple form for future time in conditional clauses. Here are some examples. You look at them. Please wait here until I return. You will phone me when you arrive. You must return home before it becomes dark. Tell him to wait if he comes. If you go to Puri, you can see Lord Jagannath. Okay, so in this way we also use present simple form for two cases for future time. Now we will see the similarity between present simple form and present progressive form in case of future time. Both present simple form and present progressive form used for a plan or a program. For example, the train leaves tonight from Puri. The train is leaving tonight from Puri. Okay, so this is about the use of present simple form for future time, to express future time. So here is a self-assessment question for you. Suppose the Chief Minister of Odisha is coming to Pallahada next week on 15th November. Here is the program, and you write sentences, and the students should write one sentence in comment box. Okay, so you see the arrival of the Chief Minister in Pallahada 10 a.m., visit to Nagira 10:30, distribution of quota 11 a.m., addressing public at 11:30, lunch at 1 p.m., attending press conference 3 p.m., return to Bhubaneswar 3:30 p.m. This is about today's lesson. Hope this lesson is very easy, enjoyable. You all like it. Thank you.